Good morning! It's another beautiful day to sell. And today we are here at the parking lot again, of course. And I am waiting for my client. Syempre inaagahan kong dumating para naman lagi akong una sa client ko kasi ayokong naghihintay ang mga tao sa akin. Not only clients, but of course yung anyone na imi-meet ko, ayokong naghihintay sa akin. So, yan. So, for today, I'm going to share some tips, real estate tips and key factors when you are buying your home. So, ano ba yung mga important things that you need to consider when you are buying a home? So, yan. First tip that I am going to give you is, of course, determine your budget first. So, ano ba ang price range na kaya mo or na gusto nyong i-achieve? So, maximum, usually meron kayong ceiling yan. Hanggang ang maximum budget ninyo for a certain property. So, with that, of course, i-consider na rin natin magpa-pre-approve ng bank loans para at least alam nyo na din kung magkano yung kayang ipahiram ng bank sa inyo. So yan yung two tips naman that I can share with you. The next tip naman is find the right location. So for first time home buyers, malaking factor ito kasi syempre end users kayo. So by end users, I mean kayo yung gagamit ng property. So i-consider nyo yung mga factors like accessible ba to your work, or kung family kayo, accessible ba to sa school ng kids. So yun yung mga things that you need to consider. It's not only this is a booming location, this is ito yung mga hype ngayon na location. It's not only that, but you have to consider ilang minutes ba to travel time going to this place, to that place, and commercial areas, malapit ba to sa mga market, yan. So, you need to consider finding the right location for you. The next tip that I'm going to give is know your needs and list down the things that is nice to have, 'di ba? So, ito yung sinasabi natin na ilan ba kayong titira sa bahay? So, ilang bedrooms ba ang kailangan? Ilan ang sasakyan nyo? 2-car garage, kaya na ba? Kasya na ba? So, ito yung mga nice to have naman, maganda sana kung may garden, maganda sana kung open layout yung kitchen, may dirty kitchen pa, may service area. So, yun yung mga, ililist down nyo yung mga must-haves, tsaka yung nice to have, yan. So, the next tip is, pag kunyari meron na kayong mga napupusuan na property, of course, you have to inspect your home. Inspect the property that you are eyeing. So, titingnan nyo kung pagdating nyo dun sa house, tingnan nyo na yung vicinity, tingnan nyo yung neighborhood, okay ba? Mukha bang tinataasan nila yung lugar or tinataasan nila yung mga houses nila, baka bahain ba? Madami bang security measures that your neighbors are putting up kasi baka mamaya hindi safe yung place. So, yun yung mga things that you need to check. And of course, the home itself. Tingnan nyo yung bahay kasi baka mamaya mura nga siya, pero kaya pala siya mura kasi sobrang dami nyo namang kailangang paayos. So, those are the things that you have to check pag nandun na kayo sa property. Inspect everything. So, wag kayong mahihiya na i-list down, i-punch list nyo pa kung ano yung mga nakikita nyong items, because this will help you decide if this is the right property for you. Okay, next thing that you need to consider, that you need to think about, is consider the resale value. Kasi for now, you might think that, dito na ako titira, ganyan. But pwede naman kasing hindi ito forever mong titirhan, 'di ba? So, baka in the next few years, mag-upgrade kayo or for whatever reason. So, baka in the next few years, mag-upgrade kayo. So, syempre, para may extra money kayong dala, you have to consider how much ko kaya ito mabebenta in the future. Mache-check naman nyo naman yan na parang in the past 2-3 years, gaano na baka tumaas yung value dito sa lugar na to. So, yan. Consider the resale value. Or, you can also consider the rent value. Kasi, yun nga, pag lumipat na kayo to a different property, pwede nyo naman parentahan if it's an option. Pwede naman siyang hindi ibenta. Okay? Next tip that I'm going to give you is, don't rush the process. Okay? Just give it time. Kasi minsan pag nagmamadali tayo, hindi nagiging maganda yung outcome, hindi natin napag-iisipan maigi. So, don't rush it. Just trust the process. So, you will find the perfect property if you don't rush it. Okay? And if kunyari nakapag-decide na kayo on a certain property, review the contract. Pag kunyari may signing na kayo, review everything that in the contract, review, and then yan, okay na. Another, don't rush the process kasi napaka-importante po ng kontrata. Okay? And most importantly, if you have a trusted real estate broker, magpatulong kayo sa kanila because they know how to do these things. They will help you. They will make it easier for you. They can give you good deals. They can provide advice kung ito ba ay tama yung presyo, kung tama ba na sabi nung seller, maganda tong lugar na to, hindi binabaha. Alam ng mga real estate brokers yan, they can ease up the buying process for you. So, deal with professionals. Siguro, pati sa contract, makakatulong sila sa inyo to check the legalities of everything. So, yan yung mga things that you need to consider when you are buying a property. So, I hope nakatulong ang video na ito. If you have any questions, just please comment down and I will try to answer as much as I can. And kung may suggestion pa kayo na pwede natin gawing video next time, I will try to do it too. So, thank you and have a nice day!